Okay, guys, so we have everyone here. It's like she.
Yeah, I'm up here too.
He's not included.
Okay.
My twin brother's not here today, but it's okay.
We're going to do a vending machine cookie taste test. Wait,
Yay!
let's go.
Get out of here!
Guys, we have to go to the other vending machine.
Stop! That's horrible! I don't care.
We have to go to the other vending machine. We have a problem. We have to go to the other vending machine because it won't take my change.
I'm sorry, Serena.
We are going into 7th and upgrade territory.
Now Aaron's holding it in landscape mode. We're gonna be the laughing stock of YouTube.
We're so embarrassed.
Not if we're
All
filming
7
on
of our
an
subscribers
iPhone
are gonna cringe while looking at us.
7.
You guys are so loud.
Yeah. I don't want to go this way. It's scary. It's scary.
You just gotta act like you're an 8th grader.
I'm not. Wow. Guys, just act like you're 8th graders. Guys, just act like you're 8th graders. Don't.
I just want to eat fruit snacks. Is that too much to ask?
Yes.
Fruit snacks.
Oh my god.
Fruit.
You've never been here? I have actually. I'm just kidding. I was gonna say that's kind of dumb.
Okay,
what? The 8th graders are going.
We're so scared right now.
No, I'm talking to Anastasia.
No. I'm not here.
It's not like private or anything. It's just.
Not for the camera.
Do I buy grandma's or Linden's?
I think we buy grandma's.
That's what I said. She's
Okay.
like, no, it's mint. And I'm like, no, it's mini. It's mini, not mint.
Yeah, they're pretty fucking good. Yeah, they are pretty good. Why am I
Those are the grandma's.
I swear that I'm just gonna intentionally put it in the dollar.
You're gonna unintentionally put it in dollar.
Like, what do they expect?
Intentionally.
Is it like vending machine breakout? Yeah, they're gonna like break it.
I bet kids have like broken through the vending machine several times. Like
Well,
enough for them
they
to get.
don't allow mirrors in the boys' bathroom, I heard, because the boys broke the mirrors and then fought each other's with it.
Yep. They broke off pieces of the mirror and they started stabbing each other. Oh my! They are.
That's what insanely rich people do. No, I'm just hiding my logo.
Yeah.
Hiding my logo with a jacket with the logo on it.
We're not. We are not in a school right now. We are not in a school.
We go to the school of bearded
IR
anime.
Rangers. IR Rangers is our school. And if you want to find us,
IR Rangers?
Our school is called.
Because we have gates.
Our school is called the Insanely Rich Jaguars. So
Yeah,
if you wanna find it, go ahead and look it up.
Because our faces will appear if you need to show us something. Guys, if you look up Insanely Rich Jaguars, her face and her twin brother will just pop up on the thing. No websites, no nothing, just their faces. Alright guys? Oh my god, we bought it. Why aren't we putting the smallest person to get the cookies? Alright, well it worked.
Because she can
reach down there. As you can see, we only keep her around for her ability to get down there.
We got some grandma's cookies and some fruit snacks because
you know,
fruit
fruit
snacks
snacks
kids eat fruit snacks.
Yeah, I think that's the reason that you guys watch.
Okay, so I had well, first of all, the bag is really small, like really small.
Oh my god!
What happened to your
That?
Oh my god!
What is that? What happened?
I got it.
Alright.
It looks good. Don't worry.
Yeah, you're fine.
It's
It's just like I know. I didn't even notice that was you. Like what?
Now I'm gonna tie it up.
I was just like, what is this?
Okay, ready?
All right, wait. We need a
So
ratio.
I had
this is my hand, and this is the cookie.
It's like the size of a hand. I should have gotten the Linden's. Who am I kidding?
Yeah,
But the thing
Linden's
is,
were much bigger.
I thought that the cookies were gonna be stale because they've been stuck in a vending machine, but they regularly replace it.
No, they don't. They don't. It's in middle school. They don't replace it.
Hey, no.
We're in
We're in a Publix. We're in a Publix right now.
high school. We're insanely
What's up, Logan Paulers? Today we're going back to the because I'm far superior. Okay, I need my camera. Okay. We are going to be taste testing cookies from the vending machine.
part of the Illuminati.
Probably. How'd you find out?
Don't worry, no.
Okay, everyone, don't take a cookie yet. Erica took a cookie. So these are our cookies. They're very small. Hold it up like a baby. Have like a boot, yeah.
Yeah, that is the
Want a
cookie to hand.
Okay, so everyone, cookie.
What are you doing?
Oh my God! No, restart everything. Stop. Again, sister, it's back. Cookie time. So everyone, take a bite of your cookie.
Get in the shot, sister.
First opinions, Erica.
Audrey, zoom in on his face.
But not enough
chips. Make it a little creamier.
It's great. There's not enough. It's very crumbly. It tastes like plastic, and there's not enough chocolate. So.
There's like the good.
It's very crumbly, but somehow it's still. You know what? I wasn't able to eat the cookie because someone slapped it out of my
Zoom
hand.
in on
So I give it a 1 star.
Zoom in on
Zoom in on the cookie. Zoom in on the cookie. Sabrina, move your legs. It tastes like that cookie cereal.
The chocolate feels like dark chocolate.
It feels
There
like
needs
dark
to be
chocolate.
more
Like it
chocolate.
tastes like regular chocolate, but it's
R.I.P. fruit snacks. You already eat all of them?
Overall, wait, out of 10, how would you rate the cookie?
Oh,
Eight.
7. 7.5.
No halves. What are we?
No half. What are we? Teaching
Animals? Barbarian? I would give this cookie
like an
7 out of 10. Probably wouldn't buy again.
On
that note, want any cookies?
I would give it concrete because that's what it tastes like. It tastes like concrete.
You're not on the side. You want a cookie? No, thank you. Say bye.